Once upon a time, lived three inseparable friends. A raccoon with a pirate hat, a fox with a red scarf, and a beaver with a trusty wrench. They loved to do everything together. Work, learn, dream, and play. In their cozy treehouse, they made plans for the adventures ahead. Every day was a new story waiting to be written. Early in the morning, they fished by the lake. One cast the line, one waited with a bucket, and one watched the sunrise. Together, they shared the moment. In the garden, they worked side by side, watering, planting, caring, and soon, tiny seeds grew into something beautiful, just like their friendship. When it rained, they stayed inside and read. The stories they discovered made them dream even bigger. Autumn came with pumpkins and apples. Work became fun because they shared it with laughter and joy. Sometimes, their adventures took them far away. Even under the sea, they found treasures and wonders. But the greatest treasure was their friendship. At night, they lay under the stars and dreamed of all the places they would go together. In winter, they baked cookies. Sweet treats always tasted better when made with friends. And when the holidays came, they decorated the tree. Every ornament, every light, placed with love and teamwork. In spring, they ran across the meadows, flying kites under the sky. Their laughter soared higher than the colorful ribbons. They jumped into piles of golden leaves, knowing that every season was brighter when shared with friends. In the snow, they built forts and played until their cheeks were red with joy. On rainy days, they played games by the fireplace. Winning never mattered, only being together did. They explored libraries full of stories and knowledge. Every book opened new worlds for them to dream about. At the carnival, the lights sparkled, and their joy shone even brighter. Every adventure was better when shared. By the sea, they roasted marshmallows as the sun set. The warmth of the fire was just like the warmth of their friendship. And when something was broken, they fixed it together. Because true friends always help one another. Through every season, every adventure, every dream, they discovered the most important truth. Friendship is the greatest journey of all, because together is always better.